Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Coinbase password. First, log into your Coinbase account and head to your settings. From there, you'll want to find the security section. Within this area, you'll easily spot the option to change password. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your account safe and secure. Let's get started with the details. Once you've found the Change Password option, you'll first need to enter your current password for verification. Next, it's time to create a brand new, strong password. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, confirm your new password by typing it in again. Double-checking ensures accuracy and helps prevent typos. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation, just like you secure your crypto, don't forget to secure your meals too. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After successfully changing your password, always prioritize using a unique and complex one for your Coinbase account. This significantly boosts your security. We also highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It adds an extra layer of protection. Regularly reviewing your recent account activity can also help you spot anything unusual quickly. Stay vigilant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.